The secret KDP strategy Amazon doesn't want you to know 2025 method. Have you ever wondered how some people are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month on Amazon KDP without writing a single word themselves? Well, today I'm revealing the secret KDP strategy Amazon doesn't want you to know. This 2025 method is so powerful that even beginners are turning simple digital books into full-blown income streams. And the best part? You can start completely free. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and how to build your own passive income business the smart way. Let's get into it. The truth about Amazon KDP in 2025. Amazon KDP has changed a lot over the years. Back then, you could throw together a low-content book and hope for sales. But now, the competition is fierce. The winners in 2025 are not just publishing. They're using strategy, AI tools, and smart branding to dominate entire niches. The secret isn't about uploading 100 books and hoping one sells. It's about creating high-quality, in-demand books using tools that most people ignore, and doing it in a way that Amazon's algorithm actually loves. Most people are still guessing what sells, but you, after today, you'll know exactly how to find what's working and how to duplicate it the smart way. The secret behind the strategy. So what's the secret KDP strategy that Amazon doesn't want you to know? It's this. Amazon doesn't care who makes the book. It only cares about what sells and keeps readers buying more. That means if you focus on building books that are data-driven, AI-assisted, and audience-tested, you can win big even if you've never written a book before. In 2025, the most successful KDP creators are using AI plus niche targeting to create content faster, smarter, and more profitably. Here's how it works. 1. Find profitable book ideas using real data, not guessing. 2. Use AI tools to create, design, and polish those books. 3. Publish strategically, targeting the keywords that make Amazon push your books automatically. That's the 2025 KDP method. Step 1. Find the hidden gold niches. Let's start with how to find what's selling right now. Go to Amazon and search for journals, planners, activity books, or guides. Then look at the bestseller rank, BSRs. Anything under 300,000 means it's making consistent sales. Now, scroll through and notice patterns. The styles, colors, topics, and titles that repeat. Those patterns are gold. If you want to go deeper, use free tools like BookBolt, Publisher Rocket, or even ChatGPT to discover niches with low competition but high demand. For example, self-care planners for moms, gratitude journals for teens, budget trackers for small business owners, coloring books for stress relief. These are evergreen niches that people keep buying, month after month. Step 2. Create high-quality books. Fast, using AI tools. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create the product. This is where the 2025 twist comes in. You don't have to be a writer or a designer anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Kindle can do 80% of the work for you. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to generate your book outline, prompts, or content. Use Canva to design your book interior and cover. Canva even has free templates for planners, workbooks, and journals. Export your design as a PDF and make sure it's the right size for KDP, like 6:9 or 8.55x11. The goal isn't to publish fast, it's to publish professionally. That's what separates people earning $5 a month from those earning $5,000 a month. Step 3. Publish the smart way now. Go to kdp.amazon.com and create your free account. When you upload, make sure your title, subtitle, and keywords match what your target audience is searching for. For example, instead of My Daily Journal, write Self-Care Daily Journal for Women, 90 Days of Mindful Reflection. That's keyword-rich and instantly tells buyers what they're getting. Set your price between $6.99 and $9.99 for journals, and make sure your cover looks amazing. That's what makes buyers click first. Then, hit publish and let Amazon do the marketing for you. But don't stop there. Step 4. The secret marketing loop. Here's the real secret that Amazon doesn't talk about. You can make Amazon promote your books for free if you trigger their algorithm correctly. Here's how. Use Pinterest or TikTok to post short clips of your books in use. People love seeing the inside pages. Add your Amazon link to your bio. Once people start clicking and buying, Amazon notices that engagement and starts pushing your book higher in search results. That's called the KDP flywheel effect. And once it starts spinning, it keeps selling for months, even years. You create once and get paid over and over again. The passive income potential. Now imagine this. You publish 10 solid, well-designed books, each earning just $100 a month. That's $1,000 every month in passive income. And that's completely possible. Thousands of people are already doing it. But the real goal? Build a brand around your books. If you make a planner, also make a matching workbook, coloring book, or journal. Bundle them together, and now you've got multiple income streams from one niche. That's how you go from side hustle money to real wealth. My personal tip for beginners. If you're new, don't overthink it. Start with one niche, one book, and one goal. Focus on creating something valuable and visually appealing. You don't need to publish every day. You just need to publish right. When you stay consistent and keep learning what works, your KDP income can grow into something truly life-changing. The warning Amazon won't tell you. Here's the part most people miss. Amazon doesn't want you to know that if you publish too many low-quality books, your account can get flagged or even closed. That's why this 2025 method focuses on quality over quantity. Build long-term income, not quick uploads. Amazon rewards creators who bring real value to customers. So treat your KDP business like a real business, because it can become one. Final thoughts. The truth is, there's no magic button for instant success. But with this 2025 KDP method, you can create something that pays you month after month while you sleep. You're not just selling books, you're building digital assets that bring freedom. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Go create that first book today, publish it, and start your journey toward financial independence. And remember, Amazon might not want everyone to know this strategy, but now you do. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Because I'm dropping more step-by-step guides every week on how to create real income with Amazon KDP and AI tools. Comment below. I'm starting my KDP journey, and I'll reply with a few free tips to help you personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you exactly how to create your first best-selling KDP book from scratch using free AI tools. Rapid-fire pro tips. File specs. Export interiors as PDF X1A, 300 dpi. Use grayscale for black and white interiors. Use color for color interiors. Choose trim, 6 by 9 inches, or 8.5 by 11 inches. Keep total pages even. Decide bleed versus no bleed. Full bleed pages must extend past the trim. Set margins and gutter with KDP's calculator. Embed all fonts on export. Covers, 300 dpi, CMYK preferred. Use KDP's cover calculator for exact spine width. Keep all text in the safe area. Leave the barcode zone clear. Test mock-ups on mobile. Check thumbnail readability. Metadata. Title formula. Primary keyword plus benefit plus audience. Example. Self-care journal. 90-day mindfulness for women. Fill all 7 keyword boxes with exact phrases. Use Amazon Auto-Suggest and top competitors to find phrases. Pick best fit categories, then contact support to add extra BISAC categories. QA. In the preview affix trim and bleed warnings. Check page numbers and make sure no text is cut. Order a proof copy or view digital proofs on phone, tablet, and desktop. Launch. Price journals $6.99 to $9.99. After 20 to 30 sales, adjust based on conversion. Add A+ content, 3 modules recommended. Enable Look Inside and set up your author page. Start simple ads, exact match keywords, low bids, pause non-performers fast, compliance, no trademarks, licensed characters, or scraped content. Follow public domain rules, use original interiors, and add clear attribution when required.